On November 8, the price of Bitcoin hit a record high again, breaking through $67,670 for the first time, an increase of 25% per month, which also brought its market value to $1.28 trillion. As of November 30th, the price of Bitcoin has returned to the level of May, and the overall currency price fluctuation has remained between $50,000 and $60,000. Bitcoin hit a record high for the first time, originating from Taproot's first upgrade. Its purpose is to enhance the Bitcoin protocol, improve user privacy, smart contract functions, and process complex transactions at a lower cost, reduce transaction fees, and improve security. A major change is also an important factor that directly affects the rise of Bitcoin prices. Similarly, the price of Ethereum also rose to a new high of $4,800 on November 8 and has remained above $4,000 so far. Of course, this increase is not less than the upgrade of Ethereum 2.0. Layer 2 implements many functions such as the expansion of Ethereum, providing users and projects with a better experience, higher efficiency, and lower gas fees. The most important thing is that Ethereum 2.0 continues to upgrade from the Ethereum 1.0 POW mechanism to the Ethereum 2.0 POS mechanism, as well as the formation of automatic destruction functions, destroying the existing number of Ethereum, limiting the supply of Ethereum and expanding the Ethereum network. With these restrictions increased, the circulating supply of Ethereum becomes more scarce, and the price of Ethereum will naturally rise. The total lockup volume of DeFi exceeded $288 billion, a record high. Compared with October, the total lockup volume in November showed a booming trend. On November 9th, TVL exceeded $288 billion, setting a record this year, and is expected to exceed $300 billion. In the DeFi field, each chain and each project has improved their respective value indicators, and the competition for TVL's dominance has become increasingly fierce. In November, there were many bright spots in the DeFi ecosystem. The concept of DeFi 2.0 appeared, aimed at solving the problems of low capital efficiency and selling pressure. DeFi platform Aquila won the Polkadot parachain slot to achieve cross-chain interaction. Ethereum, the second-tier expansion solution Optimism, completes the EVM equivalence upgrade, simplifies the development process of developers, and reduces transaction costs. The amount of DeFi locks on public chains such as Avalanche, Solana, and Terra has reached a new high. Following the highlights of DeFi, let's analyze the leading projects of DeFi and the fiercely competitive public chain. Curve is leading the DEX circuit. Convex Finance has surpassed Aave in third place. Convex Finance, which was officially launched on May 17 this year, on November 30th, Convex TVL of $16.27 billion has surpassed Yearn Finance $6.06 billion, became the leader of yield, and ranked third in the entire network of DeFi projects in the same month. It surpassed the leading project Aave that was originally lending by $15.72 billion. What is the charm of Convex Finance? On June 3rd, Convex Finance's locked CRV surpassed Year to become the platform with the highest proportion. Convex is committed to making up for Curve's deficiencies in user experience. Through the launch of a one-stop platform for CRV pledge and liquidity mining, it aims to use CVX tokens to simplify the process of locking and pledge of Curve and CRV through a simple and easy-to-use interface, and increase the remuneration of CRV holders and liquidity providers to promote the development of the CRV ecosystem. Its new economic model is one of the important features of DeFi 2.0. In addition, Curve continues to play the role of a decentralized exchange, occupying the leading position of DEX platform with TVL $21.5 billion. Since its establishment, it has positioned itself as a decentralized exchange specifically designed for stable coins to solve the high AMM model. the problems of slippage and high gas fees will undoubtedly be considered when using stablecoins, thus gaining the favor of investors. In November, between Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, the market share of BSC was gradually divided by other public chains. As the entire industry moved forward, Ethereum showed a trend of slow growth, and BSC showed a trend of not rising but falling. In the past 30 days, the top 10 public chain TVL has the fastest growth rate of Avalanche, and its development momentum is strong. The fourth place in the chain. The mystery of the Avalanche chain's ascending. Due to the development of liquidity mining, the incentive mechanism has been continuously increased, compatible with EVM, and the introduction of top-level protocols. In November, NFT trading volume fell again by 27%. Since July, the popularity of the crypto market has changed from DeFi to NFT. The largest month of transaction volume was $5.5 billion in August, and the popularity of the NFT market reached its peak. Judging from the total market transaction volume this year, total sales exceeded $19 billion to a new high racetrack. However, compared with October, the transaction volume in November dropped again, from $3.3 billion to $2.4 billion, a growth rate of -27%, mainly because the sales momentum of some of the largest Ethereum NFT collections has weakened. Transaction data shows that among the gains in transactions in the past 7 days, CryptoPunks decreased by 3.5%, Axie Infinity decreased by -15%, and the Sandbox decreased by -41% as negative growth. Collectibles steadily account for 68% of the NFT market share. It is expected that the NFT market will resume the previous wave of transactions. In the context of declining transaction volume, collectibles still accounted for 68% of the NFT market share, and art and games accounted for 16% and 7.3%, respectively. Then, the CryptoPunks collection has always been used as an avatar-like NFT vein, and also as a symbol of online identity in the encrypted world. It is not surprising that the transaction volume subsequently slowed down. The DeFi ecosystem is constantly updating and iterating to provide projects and users with better and better models, so the NFT market needs an update, and more exciting projects can help the market reincarnate in a new round of peaks. Major investment institutions have entered the blockchain world one after another, and NFT and DeFi have become investment. With the development of the crypto market, the investment trend represents the industry trend to a certain extent. NFT and DeFi have become popular for capital investment. In November, DeFi accounted for the largest proportion of investment funds, surpassing NFT. The reason is that DeFi iteratively innovates for existing pain points. From DeFi 1.0 to DeFi 2.0, to improve the problem of inefficiency of funds and reduce the cost of gas fees, Layer 2 has also kept up with the changes in the market and innovated continuously. TVL rose from $4.6 billion in October to $6.9 billion. Network congestion and other issues. At present, 21 Australian dollars capital has invested the most among investors, with a total of 119 investments. 21 Australian dollars capital is committed to supporting the most outstanding talents in the blockchain field. The main business includes early-stage venture capital, initial token issuance, and seed investment.